Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Yes, let me start. Briefly introduce yourself. Today is final third year. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am Shona Ghosh. I am from Bardhaman, West Bengal. I have completed my secondary education from Vita MP institution in 2014. I have completed my higher secondary education from the same school in 2016. I have completed my BSc in chemistry from MUC Women's College and Bardhaman University in 2020. I have completed my master's in chemistry from University of Hyderabad in 2022. I have qualified the CSI NET LS in June 2022. Recently, I am pursuing my PhD from Bardhaman University on the topic of optoelectronics.
Yes, good. What's the meaning of your name and how do you feel about your name?
The name Shumona means that a person with a good heart or mind, and I feel like that as I believe that at the end everyone used to follow their name, so I do the same for myself.
Yes, your hobbies is reading stories. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So describe your hobbies, how to manage in a day, in a week.
Uh, yeah, I basically my hobby is reading storybooks or any type, not only reading but also listening. I like stories most. So I won't say that I used to manage. I used to pursue it every day. Specifically, but at least once in a week I used to go through. I used to read or listen one story, and that's yes, sir, that's it.
Yes, good. Your MSc fourth semester project is
Photo dissociation of thioinitial molecule using optimal control theory or laser pulse.
laser work. Yes. What is photo dissociation reactions? How many types of photo dissociation reactions?
Photo dissociation reaction is the reaction that in this reaction bond used to break in presence of light. How many types of photo dissociation reaction? There is two type, Norris type 1 and Norris type 2. These two are one of the main kind of photo dissociation reactions.
Yes. What is photochemistry?
Photochemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the interaction of materials with light, especially.
What is photo reduction catalysis?
Photoreduction catalysis. Photoreduction catalysis is the process where light is used as a catalyst. I mean, in presence of light, the rate of the reaction changes. So this type of reaction is termed as photoreduced catalysis.
Yes. What the feature of thionic compound?
Thioinitial molecule is the aromatic molecule containing an heteroatom, that is sulfur. It is basically the hydrogen of a benzene molecule is substituted by SC moiety.
Yes. What the any drawback of this topic? Drawback and limitation?
The drawback or limitation, I would say that actually the aim of this topic was to control the dissociation of this thioinitial molecule using the laser pulse. So the aim was to get the 100% yield in the ground after dissociation, to get the moiety in the ground state itself. But here in my project I got an 80% yield. So I would say I am unable to get the 100% yield. So that is one of the drawback of the topic.
Yes, what is laser valve?
A laser pulse is a light source basically. It is a type of light source.
Yes, what is the uses of each one?
It As it is a light source, so it is used as light source in many reactions. Like in this reaction, laser pulse is used as one of the main important source of light. Many such reaction like this, laser is used as a source of light.
Laser lights. Yes. How many types
Yes,
of laser light? That's useful for our society.
so I don't know that.
Yes, next move on your PhD topic is
Optophotoelectronics or
yes,
MRTADF, dealing with MRTADF molecule.
yes, optoelectronics, yeah, photoelectronics, yes.
Yes, sir.
What is optoelectronics?
Optoelectronics is basically the branch that deals with the interaction of light with matters, or it tells about the effect of light on the electronic devices. So this is basically optoelectronics.
What the uses of each one for our society?
Nowadays, it has a broad use of in our society. Specifically, the main uses is there in the biological field and also in the electronic devices. The optoelectronic devices like the OLED and like OLED basically is used in the display in all the electronic devices like TV, a mobile or laptop. The screens, in the screens the OLED are used. So there.
Yes, good. Next move on CPCV. Yes. What is scientist?
Yes.
What the main role and major responsibility of scientists in Indian government? Describe.
The major role, and scientist is a person actually who used to deal with many problems of our society. I mean, the role of a scientist is he should deal with he should focus on the problem they're given to deal with, and they should come with the result so that we can get rid of those problems.
Yes. Why will you become a scientist? Be in CPCV?
For that, I would like to say that the post as scientist B is a very prestigious post, and again also as CPCB deals with the main one of the major issue of the now of the world, that is pollution. So this is a great opportunity. This will be a great opportunity for me to deal with to contribute myself for the to tackle this major problem. And as being a chemistry student, I have never, get a chance to directly given any, directly you come to an use of the society. So if I get a chance, so this will be very.
Yes. Why they will be you selected in CPCB? What the reason from your
Uh,
side?
the reason, first thing I would like to highlight my background. That is, as I have completed my master's degree in chemistry. There is many major role of chemist in the CPCB posted, like to analyze the air quality, and those things are very related with chemistry. So I have a background.
Yes, yes,
And the next thing, as being, I mean, I have found that I am very much hardworking, and also I am determined towards. I am very determined when I mean, when required, and also hardworking. So these qualities, and I have also the ability of managing the situation. So these ability, so I think this with this ability I could make some contribution if I got selected.
yes. Good. Next, move on lab. What is lab? What's the role of lab in your life? Laboratory.
Laboratory is a place basically where we mainly focus with the I mean, what is going on, basically what reaction or what is going on. So it is basically a place where we focus on the specific problem to identify that what actually is going on in reality. I mean, in yes, sir.
Yes. What is the difference between qualitative, quantitative, volumetric, gravimetric, and instrumental analysis? And what are the uses of these one? What are the example of one by one?
The qualitative analysis is a kind of a kind of analysis where we used to deal and where we used to okay where we used to get where we come to know what is the sample. I mean, if we take an example of any sample, then after qualitative analysis we come to know that what are the ingredients that are present in the sample. This type of finding is known as this type of analysis is known as qualitative analysis. On the other hand, for quantitative analysis, we used to measure how much amount in that sample or that ingredient is present in that sample. So that is a quantitative analysis. And for volumetric analysis, in this type of analysis, we use we use volume as uh, we use volume as to detect the quantity of any amount. Like we, as an example, you can take acid base titration. For this, to know the strength of any acid, unknown acid, we use the base and we used to titrate the volume from the equation V1S1 is equals to V2S2. From this equation, we can calculate the strength of any acid. Where we basically use the volume as our main. I mean, with the help of volume, we can measure this. And for gravimetric analysis, it is basically it basically deals with the precipitation principle of any ion, cation, anion, or radical. We use another reagent that will react with that anion, that will react with the target anion, cation, or radical, and will precipitate out. And by calculating that amount of precipitate, we can measure that how much amount it was present in the sample. So this is a type of gravimetric analysis.
Yes. Good. Next, move on CPCB and NGT. What is the drawback of CPCB and NGT?
The drawback of CPCV, I would like to say that after all these rules and this after all these protocols or all this action, the pollution of the country has not yet come into in a good situation. It is increasing day by day. So that is one of the drawback of CPCB. The same thing is also for NGT also, as after there is so many rules and regulation from NGT side, but instead of that also we may often find that people are not following that rules. So these things and the pollution used to increase. So this thing also used to be find out. So these are the drawbacks of NGT.
Yes, good. Who chairman of CPCB and NGT?
CPCB chairman is Tanmay Kumar, IAS Tanmay Kumar, and for NGT it is Justice Prakash Srivastav.
Yes, what the history of each person?
So the history with all.
Yes, which type of work he had done? Yes, no.
Sorry, so I can't remember. I mean, I have gone through these things, but I'm getting difficulties to
Yes,
remember those
no
things.
difficulty. Simple search on CPCB chairman Tanmay Kumar IAS. Yes, Wikipedia, you open, check on Wikipedia IAS. Click history available.
Yes, sir, I have gone through these things, but I mean, with so many person I have gone through, then I mean,
CPCB chairman. Check on CPCB
yes, sir.
chairman Tanmay Kumar IAS. In the past IAS,
Okay, okay,
yes, explain. He has done BTech,
okay,
MTech from IIT Delhi. Yes, and 1993 IAS officer batch. Yes, last time I think is a deputy collector, no, deputy additional chief from Rajasthan. Yes, this I think is a pro
okay,
background of each person.
okay.
Next simple is answer is question is first of all what the difference between environment, pollution, pollutant and climate change? Explain.
The environment is, I mean, in the name, I mean, the definition of environment is a place. I mean, it is the accumulation of a abiotic, and all the animals and everything that we find out surrounding us. All the accumulation together is, and all of this cumulatively known as environment. And pollution is the presence of any substance that occurs problematic for for the all the living beings in the environment, or not only living, yes, all the living beings in the environment. Those are pollutant are those element or those materials of which presence causes the problematic for the living beings and the environment itself. So those are pollutants. Climate change is a natural process that, I mean, yes, climate change is a natural process, and that we used to feel that used to happen due to the rotation of Earth around Sun. We used to observe the climate change throughout the year.
Yes, good. Who is the environment and climate change minister?
Environment and Climate Change Minister is for the state. It is Ashwini Kumar
Bhupender Yadav.
Yadav, and Ashwini Kumar Shin is for the state.
Yes. First major is Bhupender Yadav. First of all,
Yes, sir.
Bhupender Yadav.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, next go through is the air pollutant and water pollutant. What are the air pollutant and water pollutant city in India and world? Explain fastly.
Water pollutant city is Kolkata, Delhi, and maybe UP. And the air pollutant cities is Delhi, Mumbai, Bhopal, and Kolkata. Yes, sir. These are the air pollutant cities.
Yes, and world.
For world, mm, Lahore is one of the polluted city in the world. But I don't remember specifically by water pollutant and air pollutant.
Yes. Yes, air pollutant city in India is Delhi. World is Lahore. Yes, water pollutant is India is Kolkata and world is Jakarta, Indonesia.
Okay.
Yes, who is clean city in India and world?
Clean city in India is Indore from Madhya Pradesh, and clean city from world is Finland.
Yes, good. Yeah, next move on batteries. How many types of batteries presently?
In commercial use, there is mainly three types of batteries, like lead acid batteries, lithium ion batteries, and one is alkaline batteries. Those are commercially used.
Yes, what the biggest problem with lithium ion batteries?
The biggest problem of lithium ion battery is, I mean, these are harmful actually for the health. The toxicity of these batteries are harmful for the human being.
Yes. How many types of batteries use primary and secondary battery? What the difference primary and secondary balance? Primary secondary batteries.
Secondary batteries.
Yes. Yes, primary secondary batteries. Do you know?
No, sir.
Yes, explain.
Yes, sorry, sir. I don't know that actually.
Okay, no problem. Yes, no. Next, go through is to pollution. What is pollution? How many types of pollution?
Pollution is the effect of uh, yes, sir. Pollution is the effect that due to presence of some contamination, and the that affects the living beings and also the environment. That is called pollution. There is six major types of pollution. That is water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and also there is e-waste pollution and plastic pollution.
Yes. Next, go through in air pollution and water pollution. As a scientist, what are the method and procedure from your side? How to
How to clean?
clean of water pollution and air pollution for our society?
Okay. The For water pollution, we should go through. For water pollution, we shouldn't. For water pollution, we should stop the throwing of we should stop letting go the sewage water to directly to the river or the pond. We should treat them we should go through letting this polluted water go into the river or the pond. And again we should same thing for agriculture, agriculture, the water from the agriculture field as well as from the industries. We shouldn't allow this wastewater to directly to mix with the water sources. And also we should for in water pollution, plastic pollution is also, I mean plastic is also affecting especially the marine water. So we should take care of that also. We shouldn't throw the plastics anywhere. We should take care of that. And also the yes, these are one of the main reasons of water pollution. So we should take care of this. Again, also again on water wasting water also causes the water pollution. Even also forest deforestation is one of the reason for water pollution, because due to the deforestation, forest used to sometime protect the wastage from to go into the water sometimes, but due to deforestation everything directly mixed into the water. And also these are the main reason for water pollution. For no air pollution, for air pollution, the CO2 emission or CO2 emission from the vehicles, that causes the air pollution. And also the many toxic gases that release from the industries, and industries, that also reason of air pollution. um, and also the CFCs that is to release from the uh, uh, refrigerator and all, that also makes the air pollution.
Yes. Next, go through in water pollution. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Water pollution, surface water and groundwater. Which one is most polluted?
The surface water is more polluted than groundwater. Because all the main source of water pollutions like the industrial pollution all used to directly goes into the surface water only. So this is the I mean more polluted than the groundwater.
Next is what are the 5 parameters to measure water quality?
Parameter to measure the water quality.
Yes.
To measure water quality, we should look upon the pH of the water, the BOD, COD, and also we should look on the temperature of the water, and any toxic element present like arsenic, fluoride. We should look on this also. So these are the parameters that we should check for water.
Yes. Next is why are heavy metals harmful? Example of heavy metal poisoning.
Heavy metals are very much toxic. Like these causes, I mean, like heavy metal, like mercury is one of the example of heavy metal. These are very much carcinogenic. So whenever any biological cells directly comes to any heavy metal, this used to ultimately this causes cancer to our that cells. So these are very much carcinogenic.
Next is classify water based on quality.
Sorry, how it is in, I don't know that.
Yes.
Uh, Drinking water
Yes. How to
is that
classify
I don't know
water
that.
based on quality?
Sorry sir, I don't know that.
Yes. What are the national and international organizations that are responsible for determining water standard?
For national, it is for national. There is a CPCB and also the state pollution control boards and PCCs also contributes to for the water quality measurement. For international, maybe who is involved in this, but I don't know the international.
Yes. Okay. Good.
So what would be the answer for international?
International World Health Organization measure the health issues.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No. Millennium Development, Sustainable Development Goals you have studied.
No, sir, I didn't get anything. I mean, millennium development, but I didn't get that, sir.
Simple search on Google Millennium Goals. 7 Millennium Goals. Simple search on Google is Sustainable Development Goals. 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
Okay.
Yes, no. What question from my side is like this. What the difference between Millennium Sustainable Goal, Sustainable Development Goals? What the theme of Sustainable Development Goals? And what is the interrelation of Sustainable Development Goals like 4A, 4C, 5C?
Okay.
What the main application of Sustainable Development Goal for society? What the main application purpose? The drawback of Sustainable Development Goals? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, go through on Nobel Prize. Yes. Have you studied regarding
Yes,
the
sir.
Nobel Prize?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is Nobel Prize? What the main application purpose for society?
Nobel Prize is one of the prestigious award that is given to those people who has contributed who has contributed I mean to change to make a huge change for the society or society. So it is given for that purpose.
Yes. What the theme of Nobel Prize 23, 20 and 23?
Theme of Nobel Prize.
Yes, truth. Yeah, note down. Truth, trust, and hope. Theme of Nobel Prize 23.
Okay.
Truth, trust, and hope.
Okay. Good. Just, okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who got the Nobel Prize in 23 in chemistry?
Three scientists got it. So I can't remember the name right now.
A German scientist, US, yes. Mongoiji, Vivaldi, yes. Bruce and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
LFC, yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
topic is quantum dot. Yes, what is quantum dot?
Quantum dot.
What's the main purpose of quantum dot?
Uh, quantum dots are the nanoscale crystal. Is a type of nanoscale crystal. Quantum dot has mainly the application in the biological field and also in the electronic devices. So especially in the screening, the screen, the display has in the display of the electrical devices, quantum dot has wide use as it is as quantum dot used to change their color depending on their size. So it has an wide use in the electronic devices and also for the medical science. It has used to identify any cell. Quantum dots can be used.
Yes. Next, move on. What is the difference between G20, BRICS, Chandrayaan 1, 2, 3, Aditya L1, Gaganyaan? Can you explain?
No, so sorry, I can.
Note down. Yes, note down these 4 topics, 5 topics.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, I have noted it down. I will look for
Yes.
it.
Have you read? Oh, have you note down?
Yes, sir, I have noted down these things, but I forgot to go through on this topic.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Next is what the difference between black carbon, carbon dating, carbon trading?
Black carbon is basically the and carbon dating is the process through which we used to calculate the age of any carbon containing compound or materials. And carbon trading is the oh, sorry sir, I forgot about carbon trading.
What is FAME India?
Fame India is the Fame India. Fame India is the rules or the the propaganda for the vehicles basically to control the air pollution through the the exhausted air from the vehicle. The Fame India deals with that and that's the
Yes. What is Bharat stage 1 standard?
Bharat Stage One is a type of vehicle that that deals with. That has the uh, that is to emit SO2 less than the normal vehicles.
Yes. What the difference between BS 4 and 6? Why did government apply to direct from 4 to 6?
The main difference is BS6 is a more developed one than the BS4. The government directly applied this because this BS schemes was applied from 2000 itself.